Jazzy Spazzy playing.
Where'd you get at?
Let's go see her playing, guys. Pause the camera for a second.
Hey, my glasses are all wet.
I know. Like, it's been raining last night.
I didn't
Bad.
notice that.
This is my friend again.
Ah!
Oh my goodness. They're crazy, McLazy. Okay, so this video's been recording for 37 seconds already. Okay, so we're gonna go see my puppy. She's somewhere around. Here you are, you little turd. Look at her. You can't say no to that little beautiful face. Look at that little doggy. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, puppy, peepo, pop, pop, peepo, pop, pop. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Oh, whoa, whoa! 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 Whoa!
Robin! Robin! Hey! Ah!
Oh! Oh! Oh, my camera!
Hey, you want the ball?
These is like
Lolly, lolly, lolly.
you like lolly lolly. This is really scary. There's a sewers down there, so I want to be careful. I'm doing it for YouTube though. If you like my puppy and you think he's really cute, you should like this video because if you're not liking this video, if you love me, puppy, me.
Why are you looking at me?
Run, doggy. Okay, so that puppy, and my friend has to leave now, so yeah. Okay. Okay, so yep, my friend is leaving, so yeah, he needs to go you know, go to his house. What time is it? I don't know what time is it. Anyways, that's it for this YouTube video. So if you want to see some more YouTube, just like and subscribe.